Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello students of Matsa Surba. Welcome back to online English lesson for grade 8 for junior high school or Islamic Junior High School. With me, Heru Haryadi. Today, we are going to discuss about greeting card. Before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadikas salihin. Amin. Well, in the last meeting, we have learned about invitation expression. We have learned about how to make an invitation, how to accept the invitation, and how to decline the invitation. And for this meeting, we are going to learn about greeting card. What is greeting card actually? I will explain it to you in the next slide. Before we jump to the main material, actually our material for today is related to verse Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse 86. A'udzu billahi minas syaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa idza huyitum bitahiyatin fahayyu bi ahsana minha aw rudduha. Inna Allaha kana ala kulli syai'in hasiba. When you are greeted with a greeting, greet in return with what is better than it, or at least return it equally. Certainly, Allah is ever a careful account taker of all things. Quran Surah An-Nisa, verse 86. And the learning objective for today are: the first one is you are able to identify the structure of greeting card. Number 2, you are able to use the expression for special occasion correctly. And the last one, I hope you are able to make a greeting card. Here I have a picture for you. Yeah, please have a look to this picture. I think you're already familiar with this kind of party. Yeah, this is a birthday party. Sometimes when we attend to our friend's birthday party, we bring a present or a gift to our friends. But not only a present or a gift, sometimes we also give the card and we write our wish to our friends. That's called as greeting card. I will show you the second picture. Yeah, this is a graduation. Not only a birthday party, in graduation, sometimes we give our present, right? And or our gift to our family or your sister or your brother. Not only give our present or gift to him or her, sometimes we also provide the card. Yeah, that's called greeting card. That's why this material for today is quite important for you, because you have here you will learn about how to make a greeting card nicely. Well, as I said in the previous slide, today you are going to learn about greeting card with some occasions. Okay, the first explanation for you, what greeting card is. Yeah, greeting card is a kind of card that is used to congratulate someone because of their occasion or special moment, such as birthday, graduation, getting new house, and etc. And for the structure of greeting card, there are 3 parts here. The first one is identification. The identification here consists of special moment or special event. And the second structure is, or the second part I mean, is special expressions or wishes. And the last one, a good greeting card also provide with picture and composition of color or design. Okay, if we talk about greeting card is also related to the special occasion. I'll give you some example of special occasions here. The first one is graduation, birthday, wedding, some achievement, Mother's Day, getting new house, having new baby, and New Year. And for the special expressions, we can use these kinds of expression. For example, congratulations, happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, congratulations on your success, congratulations on your baby, happy New Year. And the last one is about wishes. I'll give you some examples for wishes here. The first one is, may happiness and love move into you. May God bless, guide, and watch over you. May this day be the beginning of a future filled with success. Wishing you a day as special as you are. Okay, I'll give you an example. I have a special occasion. For example, birthday. Okay, here I have a special occasion, birthday. Can you choose which special expression that suitable with birthday? Yeah, happy birthday. And then how about the wishes? Which wish that suitable with birthday? Yeah, the last one. Wishing you a day as special as you are. So if you have the special occasion like birthday, you can use the special expression happy birthday, and then for the wish you can use wishing you a day as special as you are. Yeah, something like that. Or I'll give you another example. Okay, the special occasion is graduation. So you can use the special expressions congratulations or congratulations on your success. Yeah, you may use congratulations or congratulations on your success. And for the wish, you can use this one. May this day be the beginning of a future filled with success. Alright, here I'll give you the example of greeting card and I will tell you about the structure of greeting card. Happy birthday, have a wonderful day and fabulous year. The first structure of greeting card is about special occasion or event. We all know that birthday here is a special occasion, birthday. The second part of greeting card is special expressions. In this greeting card, the special expression is happy birthday. Okay, the third part is wish. Yeah, this greeting card also provide wish. You can read here, have a wonderful day and a fabulous year. It's called wish. And then the last one is about design or picture. You can see here the greeting card use some picture of flowers and then a cup of cake. Yeah, it's called design or picture. So if a greeting card has all this structure, yeah, you can see here the greeting card looks good. Well, the next activity is guess what. Well, students, after I play the next slide, I hope you can guess. If I show you the picture of greeting card, you can guess which occasion that related to that greeting card. Okay, let's start. The first picture here, you can see there are two bears with the words, "Here's a big warm hug to wish you a Mother's Day, as special as you are. Happy Mother's Day." Can you guess what special occasion that related to this greeting card? Alright, this is about Mother's Day. Let's jump to the second picture. Well, the second picture here, there is a picture of baby and some flowers, and then the words here, "Congratulations on the birth of your daughter." So, can you guess what special occasion that related to this greeting card? Well done. This is about having new baby. Okay, next to the third picture, you can see here there is a picture of a house and then the words, "Congratulations for your beautiful new house. May happiness and love move in with you." Can you guess, students, with which special occasion that related to this greeting card? Okay, it's about getting new house. Next picture, graduation 2020. Today marks the end of a successful journey and the beginning of a new adventure. Congratulations to you. Well, I think it's quite easy for you. What kind of special occasion that related to this greeting card? Yeah, this is graduation. Well, I think the last picture for you. May Allah embrace you and your family with all the joy and happiness of this world. Ramadan Karim. Yeah. What is the special occasion of this greeting card? Okay, this is about Ramadan. Well, the next activity is quiz. It's time to quiz. Yeah, in Google Classroom, I already provide the quiz in the form of quizzes. Please do it. I think I have 15 questions for you. But before you do the quiz, please comprehend once more about this video. And then after that, if you already understood about this video, please do the quiz in the form of quizzes. Okay, I think that's all for my explanation about greeting card. We already learned about the design of greeting card and then about the structure, special occasion, special expression, and also the wishes. I hope you can understand with my explanation about greeting card. Don't forget to do the assignment. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video.